must not forget to maintain our health and happiness. Exercise and trust in good nutrition for our health to grow stronger. Living a healthy life is the way. Every moment we must remember. Think about yourself and a better life. Live long and feel good. Stop stressing, maintain mental peace. Take time to rest and recover.